I stand with the statutory resolution.
माननीय सदस्य, आप दर्शक दीर्घा में नहीं हो, माननीय सदस्य हो।
Sir, this ordinance is promulgated under Article 1231 of the Constitution of India. Sir, we all know that an ordinance is promulgated in the case of exigencies, necessities, or in the case of extraordinary situations. And further, an ordinance is a legislation by the executive. Sir, in this case, what is the exigency and what is the urgency in promulgating the ordinance? The reason stated in the ordinance making provision, it is being stated by the government that because of the COVID-19 pandemic situation and also because of the lockdown, and the farmers are in big trouble, and that is why they are in the adverse livelihood of the farmers. That is why we are promulgating these three ordinances. All these three ordinances are being promulgated so as to protect the livelihood of the farmers. That is the reason it is being stated. Sir, you may kindly see this ordinance is an ordinance of contract farming. What is the justification or what are the immediate steps to be taken to address the livelihood of farmers due to COVID-19? Because there is no justification in the promulgation of the ordinance. See, according to the government, we need a long-term resolution for farmers and agriculture as a whole. That is the statement of objects and reason, para 2 of the ordinance as well as the bill. So how this COVID-19 pandemic and a long-term solution will go together as an exigency or emergency or an extraordinary situation? Sir, from this it is very clear that the government is using the COVID pandemic situation to bulldoze agricultural sector reforms through ordinances and thereby misusing the presidential power under Article 123(1) of the Constitution. My humble submission to the Honorable Minister and Government is all these the bills may be sent to the Standing Committee for the scrutiny. Otherwise, it will be another disaster for the farming community in India.